Alright, hey guys, here. I just got this in for repair today for somebody, but I don't think they're going to want to fix it because it's just not the greatest of news for it. So here's what's going on. This is a Trav-Ler vintage portable record player. Now overall, not in too bad a shape. A little bit of lamination problem there. That can be glued and fixed. I mean, overall the thing looks really good. So it's cosmetically not bad. Not bad at all, actually. It's in very good shape. So, I mean, everything's there. So the guy's deal was, when he got it, he bought it off eBay. Go figure that one. Well, that's nothing wrong with that. I have too. But he said when he took it out of the box that it came in was kind of beat up, which that's not a good sign when you see that. And so when he took it out, the record player sounded like it had something loose in it, but he went ahead and plugged it in and it didn't do anything. Did not come on, wouldn't do nothing. So he brought it to me to check it out. So I've pulled the screws apart, and here's what I found, guys. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. I've already got this top loose here. Well, for one thing, there's the motor. The motor was laying in the bottom of it. You see all that right there? That was what's left of those rubber grommets that the motor kind of mounts and floats on. It's like little rubber bushings. Well, they were gone. They're all on the bottom of the record player. See the glass in there? Well, that was from the 50L6 audio output tube. Now, luckily, I cleaned through the tube out of there, and I put another 50L6 in it to test the amplifier. The amplifier is even beat up. The filter capacitor got dents in it. The motor had some damage, but it does run. But at the end of the shaft, you can't see it with the camera, but the end of that shaft is bent. So, and the cartridge arms wires were ripped apart there. I kind of tacked them back just temporarily to try this thing out, see if it's worth anything. So it was in very bad shape inside. And then lo and behold, come to find out, the cartridge is no good. I had it hooked up and I did a test on it. I put my voltmeter on it. I rubbed my finger across the needle, because you can do that. Absolutely no voltages whatsoever coming out of that cartridge, which that's typical. I think Radio TV Phononet explained this in one of his videos. These cartridges, and these pretty common for these record players, and they have a pretty high failure rate. So even if the record player wasn't damaged, we'd be looking at trying to find a cartridge for this, and they're getting hard to find, and they're not cheap right now. You know, back in the day, they were probably a dime a dozen, but nowadays, you get on eBay, somebody's going to want, oh, it's old, it's vintage, I got to have $100 for it, and $20 shipping. So I'm going to mention it to them. I can fix these other things. I can get these rubber garments for the motor. They're about 12 bucks for the set of 3 of them. Now, I got a 50L6 tube. I'm not even worried about that. I got probably 50 of them things laying around that are all good, so I'm not worried about the tube, but I'll get the garments, but the cartridge is probably going to be what kills it. So it's like buying an old TV. It's got a bad CRT. Once you find that out, well, it's time to start being a little sad. So, but anyway, I'm going to find out. If I get it going, if the guy wants to fix, we'll do another video. But I just thought it was something cool to show, guys. Thanks for watching.